How to appear offline in IMO. Hey everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Sometimes you want to check messages, scroll peacefully, or avoid long conversations without completely logging out of IMO. So here's how you can appear offline in it. First of all, launch open the IMO application on your mobile device or your tablets. And once you're inside the main homepage after logging into your account, go ahead and click on your profile picture at the top left corner from the home screen. This will open the Me menu from where you need to tap on Security and Privacy. Inside Security and Privacy, you will see a last seen and online status option under Privacy. Just tap on it. On the next page, select Nobody. Now, after selecting Nobody, other people won't be able to see when you are online or when you have last used the app, and your last seen status will also be hidden from others. You can also change it to My Contact, Custom, or Everyone option whenever you prefer by coming to this page. So that is how you will be able to appear offline in IMO. That way you can enjoy a little privacy without disconnecting completely. Whether you are busy, relaxing, studying, or just not in the mood to chat, this setting can help you use the app more comfortably. So that's it. You've successfully done it. But remember, after you turn off the online status, you'll also not be able to see others if they are online or not. So with that being said, if you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.